Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove file type associations and reset them to none in Windows 11. Here's how you can do it. This method is applicable on both Windows 10 as well as on Windows 11. First, open the search bar and type in Settings, then click to open it. Inside Settings, type Default Apps in the search box and click the first result. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the option to reset all default apps. Click on Reset, then confirm by selecting OK. This will reset all your file type associations back to their default state. Next, let's go through another method. Open the search bar again and type in File Explorer options, then select it. Go to the View tab and in the list of options, uncheck Hide extensions for known file types. Click OK to save the changes. Once you've done these changes, restart your computer. After the restart, the issue with file type associations should be resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. For more useful tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.